If you want to find and use Translator on POCO F7 Pro, then we can go to the Control Center. We're gonna swipe up in order to find the Edit button, and then you should be able to find Translate Conversation option in System Toggles. So we're gonna tap over here to add it to the list and press this check in the top right corner. And now over here we can tap on it to, of course, open the translator. We have the vertical option where we can choose the first and the second language. And of course we can press the microphone in order to say something out loud, and it will be converted into the text and translated pretty much immediately. And of course then the other person can do the same thing. You can also play. It will actually automatically play the text. In the top left corner we have this icon that allows us to change to face, so we have these two opposite sides actually that we can use as well for your convenience. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!